Plastic.
Indeed. Stay hydrated, kids. Fuck off. Ah!
Bruh.
Oh shit!
No, wait.
Let's
Oh,
go,
you
I got
guys
you.
ganged up. Oh my god.
No, I got you as a Lucio alone.
We just gotta be careful about the pinches. There's someone. Oh.
This map is so fucking big. Come meditate with me.
Where are you?
This is the yoga room.
Alright, meditate.
This is what I call the downwards dog.
That's the best you can come up with.
Sorry.
That was awful.
Sorry? Oh, no one is.
Left side, watch out!
Oh my god! Oh, I didn't know where it was coming from, dude.
Yeah. I got Diva.
Oh, watch out.
God.
Holy
Soldier.
shit. Jesus Christ, I gotta pee. Oh.
It's okay. If we win this, we're
We
good.
have to win this. Come on, guys. We gotta make this quick.
If we lose this, we're good too. Oh no, there's a pit! I didn't know there was a pit!
There's a pit?
Dude, that demon just not leave me alone.
No.
You can just survive, Fernando.
I can't. I'm trying to heal him. Nice.
Got Diva.
Trace is almost dead.
Okay. Yeah, she does.
Tracer gone. Just die.
Got it. Yep. Let's go.
Oh,
Oh, what a fucking
my
comeback.
Fucking.
dude on legendary. Dude on the hardest.
Easy.
Oh, they're already
Already
here.
here.
Oh, my. They did so much damage too.
Punch. 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 Oh. Already shoot.
Yeah, don't
go
crawl
too
forward. Franco. Where
far.
you going, bro? It's like, take us into the heart of the battle. Yeah, you have to
I'm
shoot
being
her.
sucked.
Shoot her.
Oh,
Whoever's alive.
I'm trying.
oh, what kind of broken ass shit is that?
I'm getting sucked. I'm getting sucked.
I'm shooting.
Thank you.
Oh no, don't be sucked.
Oh,
So
Don't
we
be
can get the
sucked.
shield.
I got.
Come on.
No,
Oh,
I
what?
lost.
Oh, we lost.
Damn it. Alright, let's
Great.
play a little bit easier version of that. Oh my god.
Oh, nice. Okay, that was phase 2. Last phase, guys.
Two.
See, this is easy. Oh, bomb guy,
Oh,
bomb
shit.
guy, bomb guy, bomb guy.
I got him.
Another guy. Another bomb guy.
Another one?
I can't
No.
move him anymore.
No, dude!
Oh,
Oh my god.
I don't
I
want to
don't
play
know
this.
how to...
I guess I'm gonna call it. But I'll
Yeah.
catch y'all tomorrow. I have to wake up early. Get the tattoos.
You're getting a tattoo? What?
Well, yeah, alright. Yeah, but I have to hop off.
Huh?
Yes. See ya.
Explain. Ah,
God, what?
Dude, I have hiccups. This is not good. He told me the reason. I don't think it.
It is. Do you not
Oh
see
my.
the reactions?
Okay, let's play COD or something. Or you want to play normal? I need something to take my mind off of this. 'Cause the hiccups are crazy right now.
that can't be real.
I'm just
Dude, what?
Let's play mystery roll queue.
How do you stop like hiccups?
Hold your breath. Or you can try drowning yourself. It's like gagging every time.
Okay, I think I'm good. I held my breath for
I've been fighting that junk rap for so long. Mystery roll kill.
Bruh. Yeah, but is that what we're playing?
Did you see that?
Fernando, what was that?
Surag, I'll show you how to play fair. Watch.
Got him. Got him. That,
Tracer.
Tracer, yep. Got him. Oh, please! Blah. Hentai's Japanese for ramen.
There's just no way.
Can I just get one hentai, please? Okay. Nice.
Let's go.
That's it. How easy. Oh,
Nice.
I told you,
Answer.
this is how you play Pharaoh. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Aim at the biggest.
How you got residency like out here? It's actually What is up, Mr.
Very
Gokul-san?
nice.
What's up? What's up?
Let me see your
Very
tattoo.
nice.
Take your head through the TV.
Put your mic right next to your tattoo.